Hi, I'm James. I'm project engineer and hydraulic consultant here at Prior Power Solutions, and I'm really pleased to show you our very latest creation, this beauty behind me. This 129 kilowatt safe area HPU has been designed fully in-house and can provide 220 litres a minute total at a maximum pressure of 210 bar. And although it has been designed specifically to meet the client's needs for oil skimming equipment, it can be easily and seamlessly adapted to be used for almost any hydraulic application. In this unit, we're using the latest exhaust after treatment technology to ensure the lowest emissions possible to meet environmental challenges. Using the Volvo engine means not only is the client getting a very high quality engine, but also the support network that comes along with it, where they can get support and spares anywhere in the globe. We always use top quality components throughout, including this top of the range load sensing piston pump, which reduces power wastage. At Prior Power, we always have ease of maintenance in mind, with just small touches that have huge benefits, such as fill points for hydraulic oil and suction filters that can have the elements change without the need to drain the hydraulic tank. Just small touches, but it goes a long way for the guys when they come to service this thing. As the majority of hydraulic failures are caused by contamination in the fluid, we take filtration very seriously as well, and we have high quality filters in key system points. And of course, as with any piece of equipment, it's only as good as the container it's housed in. In this case, this really nice DMV 2.7-1 certified container, designed and constructed fully in-house by our skilled fabrication team. Prior to leaving our site, this HPU will be subject to a series of thorough in-house tests, as well as client witness testing and training. Here at Prior Power Solutions, we can offer fully customized options for hydraulic power units, as well as many other types of power generation equipment, including for hazardous areas and with an ever-growing rental fleet. Please head over to our website, www.priorpower.com, to see our full range and get in contact with us.